The notification sound on your Galaxy S24 might stop working due to various reasons. It could be because of software glitches, accidental changes in sound settings, or the Do Not Disturb mode being activated. If you have a problem like this, the first thing you have to do is to check the notification volume. Checking the notification volume ensures that it's not set to a low level or muted, which could be why you're not hearing the notifications. To do it, press the volume up button on the side of your device. Then tap on the More Settings icon that appears. Adjust the notification volume slider to your preferred level. If this doesn't fix the problem, then you have to restart your phone. Restarting it can help clear any temporary software glitches that might be causing the notification sound to stop working. So press and hold the volume down and power buttons. When the power menu shows, tap Restart and then confirm you want to reboot your phone. After the reboot, try to see if the problem is fixed, because if not, then what you need to do next to reset the app preferences on your device. This can help resolve issues caused by changes in settings, permissions, or data restrictions that might be affecting your app's functionality. To do it, open Settings and then scroll all the way down. Tap Apps and then tap the More Options icon at the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences and tap Reset to confirm. If this doesn't fix the problem, then you have to reset all settings, as it can resolve issues caused by changes in system settings that might be affecting your device's functionality. To do it, just launch Settings again and scroll all the way down. Find and tap General Management and select Reset. Tap Reset All Settings and tap Reset Settings. To confirm, tap Reset and wait until your device finishes the reset. In most cases, this is enough to fix a problem like this. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.